Welcome foodies, welcome back to the Smoothies Bar channel. My name is Ishwari and I'm happy to see you here. I'm here again with another appetizing smoothie recipe for you. Let's talk about pineapple today, the star of today's video. Pineapples are known for their crown of stiff, spiky leaves. The fibrous flesh of pineapple has a vibrant tropical flavor that balances the taste of sweet and tart. The area closer to the base of the fruit has more sugar content and therefore a sweeter taste and more tender texture. A really ripe pineapple is incredibly sweet and fruity, tasting something like a marriage of citrus and apple. There is a tang to the pineapple that may be relatively absent from the ripest fruit and bolder in less ripe pineapples. It's similar to the tang of an orange, zesty and bright. Picking the perfect pineapple at the grocery store can be a bit of a challenge. Unlike other fruits, there is a lot to check beyond its color and appearance. In fact, to ensure that you are getting the best bang out of your buck, you should pay close attention to the texture, smell and weight of the fruit. Pineapples that are fresh and fully ripe should have healthy bright green leaves as well as a greenish yellow hue. Ripe pineapples tend to have a sweet smell at the base of the fruit and should have a firm shell, slightly soft when squeezed. Fronds that are easy to pull out may indicate that the pineapple is ripe and ready. In major pineapple producing Indian states, the season of availability is from July to December. You can keep the pineapple pieces in refrigerator for 4 days and in the freezer for 4 months. Pineapples are a great source of healthy carbs. They improve your immunity, may lower your risk of cancer, it may lower your gut health, strengthens your bone, improves eye health, promotes tissue and cellular health of skin, elevates common cold, strengthens your gum and so on. Let's make pineapple smoothie boat today. For the toppings, I'm taking a pomegranate. Pomegranates are sweet and tart in taste. They are incredibly refreshing and add great flavors. They are full of minerals including calcium, potassium, copper, manganese that give a proper balanced nutrition for good health. And this topping is going to add a nice crunch and beautiful red color to the smoothie. Kiwi is going to add some more color and little sharpness to the recipe. Kiwi has a higher vitamin C concentration than an orange. Kiwi contains large amount of vitamin C which helps in protecting cell against cancer by neutralizing free radicals. These brown fuzzy fruits have a sweet and slightly tangy taste with green flesh on the inside that lends a unique flavor and tropical zing. Now I'm plunging some stars from this cutter. Oh, lovely. I'm cutting a banana for the smoothie as the main ingredient to add a rich creamy texture, as well as I'm also plunging some little stars for the topping. Oh, look at them. Chopping some pistachios, which are lower in calories than most nuts. Chia seeds for the crunch. For the recipe, 2 cups pineapple, 1 banana, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla, a pinch of salt, 2-3 pinch of turmeric, half cup coconut cream. Instead of fresh pineapple, you can also add frozen ones. If you like your smoothie a little sweet, then a fully ripe banana is an excellent choice. I'm using turmeric to flavor and add natural color to the smoothie. You can also add more turmeric for more color. Salt makes it taste sweeter and richer. Coconut cream for super smooth and creamy texture. And vanilla for a sweet fragrant flavor. Now let's blend until smooth. Look at this beautiful bright yellow color and this thick creamy texture. Let's start with the toppings: kiwis and pomegranate, banana, pistachios, chia seeds. Thank you for watching this video. I would be delighted to have you a member of our community. So please make sure to like, share and subscribe so that you do not miss out on any of our future videos. In the description box, I will be also mentioning all the links from my previous videos. See you soon. Eat clean.